Can the proposed revived cooperative bank fully operate under the current laws that govern commercial banks? The proponents of the bank seem to disagree. It was clear that as the steering committee works on the proposal to govern the cooperative bank's revitalization, they're asking for more pragmatic regulations, for they do not end up as another typical commercial bank.
So even as we try to look for the National Cooperative Bank to address the cooperators, we need to understand the context, because it will not create its own context. It will also find itself encumbered by those same constraints, like most people do not have collateral that is acceptable to the banks or even acceptable to the regulations, the requirements by law. Now, until we fix those other underlying factors, the cooperative bank will also face the same challenges and limitations.
On the question of capitalization of the cooperative bank, industry players say they're counting on the cooperators.
The cooperators, by consensus, agree that we need to have a bank, and they even agree to capitalize it. So for those people who would want to know, where do you expect to get the money is within the movement itself. If you are talking about the 43,992,000, and you are talking about 15 million Ugandans, even if every cooperator contributed 10,000, that is enough money for us to have the minimum capital requirement of 150 billion.
Bank of Uganda amended the Microfinance Deposit-Taking Institutions Act that allowed for the regulation and supervision of bigger SACCOs. In 2006, government also came up with a Tier 4 Microfinance and Moneylenders Act, which says that all SACCOs and other Tier 4 institutions be regulated and supervised by the Uganda Microfinance Regulatory Authority. In 2020, the Cooperative Societies Act Cap 122 was amended, and it says that SACCOs should be regulated by the Registrar of Cooperatives. This regulatory overload on the sector has yet to be sorted despite calls to that effect. Ndagire, NTV Business.